artisan baking has been growing for the past 12 years, and now you see it leading the way in creativity and craftsmanship. It's been a privilege to watch the development and to see this tradition driving other bakers. The best quality a baker can have is curiosity, wanting to continue to learn, continue to grow, reflect on what they have done and how it can be improved, but also celebrate what they've done well. It's a vulnerable place to bake in front of all of these people and have strangers come in and judge your work. And it's always, I'm just so impressed that people are willing to put themselves out there, and it helps them grow in their career, understand opportunities to do better, and learn from everything that they've done.